So I have really naturally frizzy hair. I can never just leave it to dry naturally. I have to dry it with a hairdryer and a round brush, which takes ages. I quite like to be able to wear my hair without having to put too much heat on it, because I know that that'll add to the frizz.
So what's interesting is, as soon as you take a piece of hair and just wrap it around a finger and squeeze and let go, it's very responsive. You know, if your hair's damp in the morning and you're on your way to work, you could just sit on the tube and just, you know, twiddle it. Straight away, you're getting a much lovelier natural wave in there. You can just pick out the pieces of hair you don't like the look of. Just squeeze it together, twist it around a bit, and suddenly it's coming together. And I think the more you do this, the more your hair will react well to it, and the more readily your hair will want to work with you. Okay, let's work with that.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave. Wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting. My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting.